Hello everybody! We will learn in this video how to create a multipad composed from 4 different memories. There are 2 ways to create a multipad, using the keyboard A3000 or using a music software on your computer. The first way, using the keyboard, we will program the multipad on board using the Multipad Creator. We press Function, then Menu 2, then Multipad Creator. We press C to create a new multipad. We see on the screen 4 empty folders to save in, which are the same 4 buttons on the keyboard. We pick one of them by pressing A, B, F, or G. For this example, we choose A. We choose the instrument that will record a musical phrase, a rhythmic phrase, or a chord. For example, we select Arab Mix Kit. We also pick the style that we'll play along with, for example, Maqsoom at a tempo of 130. Of course, this style will not be recorded in Multipad. It was just to help us follow the rhythm easily. We can practice the phrase we want to record before playing. After practicing, we press Exit to go back to the previous screen. We press Rec to record and enable the keyboard. We notice that Synchro Start is lit, which means that by pressing any key, the recording will start. To stop the recording, we press the same button H or Stop. Let's record a short phrase using Sagat. In case of a mistake, we re-record by pressing the Rec button or we fix it in the Edit page. To hear what we recorded, we press Memory 1. If we wanted the multipad to loop play, we have to turn it on in Repeat Pad 1. To stop the multipad, press Stop. We also have to try this pad with the style. We notice that something is wrong. The pad is playing once in 2 bars. Not like we set it. We can fix this on the Edit page. We go to the Edit page using this button. Here we see on the screen that we have all that was played in details, and we can fix any note. What's important here is the end of the list, and particularly the last line. We see that it's programmed in bar 2. We have to change it so it's at the end of bar 1. We change the value with a dial. Let's try now. To record a second memory, we go through the same steps. We select an empty folder, for example B. We change the voice, for example, Iranian Mix Kit. We redo the same steps, we practice. Then we press Exit, then Rec. We start the recording by playing and stop it with the Stop button. We try by pressing Memory 2. Same as we did for Memory 1, we turn Pad 2 on and we fix the last lane if needed. And we try. Another example. We record in the third memory F some chords using the guitar. We choose the right instrument. Then we practice along with the style. Then we start recording. But here, we want to hear 1 bar before we start playing. For that, we use the Start-Stop button. Then we begin playing. After finishing recording the phrase, which is in C major chord, we listen to it. We turn pad 3 on in repeat and also in chord match. And that will make the chords follow the left-hand playing bass note. A last example. In the fourth memory, G, we'll record a sound effect that we'll find in SFX Kit 2. We press Rec, then we record. We try. We turn pad 4 off in repeat, so it won't loop, and turn it off in chord match because it's not a chord. After finishing recording, we save the multipad by pressing Save. We select a folder and we enter a name. We press the OK button. We leave the Multipad Creator function and use Multipad to play. If we want to edit the multipad, we select it, then go back to Multipad Creator and go to the Edit page, where we can edit anything with precision. One last thing. Multipad Creator function does not allow us to use quantize like Style Creator. To edit the pad, we have to do it step by step in the Edit screen. The second way to record a multipad is by using a software on a computer. We can use any software that allows us to record MIDI file. I'll explain how to use this function in another video. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial video.